Hello art friends and welcome back to Kristine Art Channel. Today we've got a common watercolor painting mishap to address, the dreaded accidental overnight soak of your precious brush. We've all been there, but fear not, I've got a foolproof method to bring your brush back to life. So let's dive right in. Begin by taking your soaked brush to the sink. Run some lukewarm water and gently wash the brush. Next, grab a soap bar and generously rub the brush against it. Ensure that all the brush fibers are together and straight, and don't be shy with the soap. Once you covered up your brush with soap, it's time for a little patience. Take a piece of paper towel and tightly wrap it around the brush. Make sure it's snug. Now leave it like this for a full 24 hours. It's time to unwrap your brush. Gently remove the paper towel and take your brush to the sink once again. This time, super gently wash it, ensuring you remove all the soap residue. Be extra careful during this step, we don't want to damage it. And there you have it, the magic of patience and a little tender loving care. Your brush is now straight, ready, and raring to go for your next watercolor masterpiece. So the next time you accidentally leave your watercolor brush in the water, don't panic. Follow these simple steps and you'll be back to creating beautiful watercolor paintings in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kristine Art Channel for more art tips and tricks. Until next time, happy painting!